Hey guys, Brian's Games here, back again. Just a quick unboxing of what I got from bigbadtoystore.com. Uh, they were on sale for 50% off. On sale for 50% off at bigbadtoystore.com. And what do you call that thing? They're not in standard packaging. They're in substandard, so there may be a little dent or so. But the last time I picked up something like substandard in Big Bad Toy Store, it was like the smallest dent, and they had it half off, so I can't go wrong. Show you guys what I got. Let's open this guy up in front of you. Here we go. We'll cut the box inside. Can you guys see it? Not yet? Oh, you gotta freaking wait. Hold on. So I'm gonna put away that knife before I cut myself. Aha! You see them? There they are. Bang. That's all I got. Alright, let's take it out. Put it aside here real quick. Camera. Yeah, sorry. There we go. Anyway. Okay, this got two Planet X figures. Let's adjust this shit real quick. There they are. From the... What did they model this on? It's that game, right? That Transformers Full of Cybertron game? Yeah, that's it. So, got Ironhide, got Ratchet. But if, it's not what they call them. This is Planet X Mars. Planet X Behovis. Anyway, so Ironhide, Ratchet. Like I said, it was substandard, so that means there's gonna be imperfections on the box. They say it's not for display, but it's not that bad, you know. As long as the figure's not broken, I really don't care. There's the dent right there. See? Right there. I mean, it's not that bad. On the box, robot form. There's the car form, another robot form. I have this big ass axe, cool gun. Top of the box, bottom of the box. Nothing. To the side, I'll show you guys. Bichovis, Ratchet. Now this one's a little bit more banged up than Ironhide over here. But look, see? That's what I mean by substandard. They dented the box. I mean, probably because of shipping. Or somebody dropped it at a Big Bad Toy Store warehouse. But whoever dropped it or messed it up, thank you, because you gave me 50% off. So, dent there. I'm not planning to keep this in box anyway. I want to open it. But not today. Just wanted to show you guys what I got. So, front of the box. Car form. Side of the box. Back of the box. Top. Bottom. Same thing. There you go. This is my quick unboxing or whatever of what I got from bigbadtoystore.com, and it just arrived today. So there you go. Wanted to share with you guys. See you later. Bye.